Very good morning, each one of you. It's a great inspiration from our inaugurator, to hear the story. Thank you. Thank you for joining today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I know we are running a little bit late. I'll just enter to the subjects. Today's psychology, right? Please give me access to share my PPT, please. Technical team, please.
Yeah, sir. Now it's available.
I'll just give a couple of words about us. We are a 3G Institute of Research and Policy Study. We always called us a Mission 3G. 3G stands for Third Millennium Generation. We are an incubated company in IIT Bombay, and we are headquarters now in IIT Madras, #1 institution, the consecutive 5 years, I think. The entire research we have done from Harvard and MIT, we launched in ISP Hyderabad. We have so many projects. You can go through our website. Now, the next is very important what we do basically. See, we are addressing one of the biggest threat of humanity called technological singularity. This is the factor which I want to discuss with you today. 80% of the people are going to lose their job before 2030. Now we know that in pandemic we lost almost 1 crore, more than 1 crore people job we lost last year. Okay, now before 2030, 80%. This is where the psychology which is going to come. Just imagine that in India we have a 600 million youth, while rest of the world is aging. India is getting younger and younger. 80% of the people are going to lose job. This is where the psychology we have an important. The people like you, we have a very much important to take care of India, to lead India, to solve India problems. This is what we are addressing. I'll move again. We will enter to the real part of a psychology. So guys, can you guys give some chat? What is psychology? What is the definition of a psychology? It's your subject. Majority of the people are connected who want to pursue the psychology. Could you guys tell me what is the psychology? Yes, many study of mind. Yeah, study of the mind. Yeah, study of the human behavior. Exactly, you guys have said it. It's the science of study of the mind and the human behavior, right? We all know that it's an experimental science. It's not like mathematics. 2 + 2 is 4. It's an experimental science. It's also a study of a conscious and unconscious. Yeah, I think Lidish also said psychology is the science and mind behavior. Psychology include the study of a thought and conscious and unconscious phenomena. So here we come up. This is an experimental science. The word experimental science. Now I just want to ask a few more questions here in the psychology student. We all know that the brain is everything. Here, even the picture you can see the brain. Now, I just want to ask you guys, how many brains we have? How many brains we have? Yeah, we got many answers. 2 is there, Shubham is there, 3 is there, many said 3 is there. Some of Karuna Sharma is there, 4 is there. Can you guys just elaborate that? 3 is correct. Yeah, just go ahead, guys. You all are psychology student. Forebrain, midbrain, hidbrain, a science of human behavior, consciousness. Yeah. So brain, midbrain, and midbrain is coming. Conscious, subconscious, and unconscious is coming. Psychology is a behavior of mind. Okay. Now, see, you are all somewhere correct, but this is where we have a problem now. We are, 19th century, 18th century curriculum, 19th century teachers, 20th century children using of technique of a 18th century technique. We just now, even majority of the guys, you are from the same background. We all are learning about the brain. We don't know how many brain we have. This is where we start the problem. Now we got a 3 brain. even the similar answer, if you go to the neuroscience who operate the brain, if you go and ask, he will say the same answer. It is not your mistake because curriculum is that much outdated. We are having only knowledge about the human behavior 5%. You know, every 5 people will be suffering various kind of a neuro problem. We don't have an answer for it. In the humanity, we didn't yet to decode who we are. You know, post-birth is a perspective. You know, post-death is a pre-birth is a perspective, post-death is a perspective. We don't know who we are. We are yet to be discovered who we are. The brain, how it is functioning, nobody knows. We have only 5% of the knowledge about the brain. Rest is all assumptions. We have all the kind of a theory assumption. But this is where the technology is going to unfold the secret of the humanity. Where the technology is coming, where the people are coming. We have only 5% of the knowledge. The only system which we have, the MRI scan, we just put the waves, right? We understand the brain, how it is function. Nobody knows how the brain function, how the neuron, but the technology, the artificial intelligence is coming to uncover, unfold all the secret, each neuron, how it is going to function. So what does it mean that what and all which we have today, it is going to be obsolete? What and all we study till today, it is going to be obsolete because technology is entering, we are entering to another level. It is making obsolete all the psychological theory which we are having, it is going to be obsolete because we are entering to the real, because it's all about assumption. But AI, artificial intelligence is coming, it's going to cover. Just imagine, majority of the people, those who are taking the psychology, you go and ask the same question, how many brains you have? We have, they will ask this, they will answer wrong. That is where we are. That is where our curriculum it is. This is where we need to change now. We are entering to another world. Okay. Now we'll talk about a little bit about what is artificial intelligence. Can anybody can say that what is the connection of the brain and artificial intelligence? Brain and artificial intelligence. Any chat, brain and artificial intelligence? Yes, I'll go ahead. AI is an augmentation of a brain. It's a study, you know, it's all connected. AI is a technique which enables machine to mimic human behavior. Artificial intelligence, we know that we have an intelligence, two kind of intelligence, majorly less privileged others. We say human and animal have the intelligence, right? Now, what is artificial in a very simple language to say? Intelligent, which is demonstrating by the machine. So we're being a psychology student, those who want to pursue the psychology, we need to understand that AI is all about psychology. It's a study of human behavior, a study of a brain and mind. So AI, you guys have the scope, the best scope on earth. This is where you need to understand. Okay, I'll move to I'll just give an idea about what is the AI for you guys. As I said that, what is artificial intelligence in a layman term? Artificial intelligence is an intelligence demonstrated by machine, unlike the natural intelligence and displayed by human and animals. It's simply a science of leveraging data past experience. Okay, I'll give you how it is evolved. Very simple to understand from the slide. You can see that we human is always after productivity. How the AI is evolving. Where we have a problem, you will understand from this slide. We human have always after product to get a 1x to 2x the product. In the olden days, everything was muscle power. If you have a more number, you will have a more productivity. We put more people to get a more productivity. Again, to get a more productivity, we started to use the animal muscle power. To 10x to 1000x to get an industrial value, the invention of a steam engine, it started to 1000x, we started to mission. Slowly from 1000 to 10,000 to million x, we started to give an intelligence to the machine. Now we are reaching a stage, machine is surpassing the human intelligence. Here is the problem. See guys, understand where is the problem which we start is, machine is surpassing the human intelligence. According to Dr. Ray Kurzweil, who is heading the Google AI director, the accuracy level is 86 point something. All his prediction accuracy. He's telling that it's almost 2025 AI is going to surpass the human intelligence. So you'll understand what kind of a problem is going to come when AI surpass the human intelligence. This is where you and me, we are going to have a problem. Many of guys, you have heard my speech, even though there are many new people in the session. So this is very, very important slide to understand, being a psychology people, to understand what is the biology. You are talking about the brain. When we talk about brain, majorly we talk about intelligence. Okay. What is the, comparison between biological intelligence and technological intelligence? This is very, very, very important slide for your future, your father future, your mother future, my family future, everybody future, to understand the AI. How we don't want to know the code and all, we want to know how AI is, artificial intelligence, going to affect you and me and in our life. This is what we don't want to know much about the AI. So to give a little bit technicality, the operating frequency of the brain is 200 hertz, operating frequency 200 gigahertz. That is not a much. We don't want to know technology, but transmitting information speed, this is a little bit we want to know through axon. We all know we human have a 5 senses. We receive information, through these senses, it will go to the brain. So basically, to give an example, anything in our body or the information come through the axon, it will go to the brain. The brain neuron will give the answers for us or to do the action. That speed is 200 meters per second. Where the AI speed, it is 3 million meters per second. The power of the brain is 20 watt, which we are talking about the brain. 20 watt is the power where the AI used to defeat Lee Sedol in AlphaGo. Please write down AlphaGo. AlphaGo, please go and watch. It's a documentary where we consider the human brain crisis day. In 2016, it happened because Go is a board game. It is a Chinese pride, 2,600 years of a game, which considered the toughest to the humanity. Lee Sedol is the champion. A small algorithm, which is invented by 2 British guys, later it bought by Google for a one-sheet algorithm for 500 million. Within 40 days, it defeated the champion Lee Sedol. There, they have used 300,000 watt. So please go and watch. I am just saying again, AlphaGo. It's a documentary. It's available in YouTube. You can see that. Next point is very, very, very important. I want undivided attention of all of you guys to feel the AI. You need to feel the AI. See, you just keep it. Now we have an AI. We already experienced. We all are using Google Map, Instagram, Facebook. We are using AI everyday life. Without AI, we can't live. Right? Just think life without WhatsApp, without Instagram, without Facebook, without Google Map. It's very difficult now. One side we keep the smartest human on earth one side, because all of us we need only one AI. All of us we need only one Google. All of us we need only one Google Map. Right? 7.86 billion or 8 billion people need only one AI. So just we have we humans are learning, AI is also learning. This is, please pay attention, very, very important question which I am going to ask you guys. This is required to strategize your future. I said already 80% of the people are going to lose their job. Whatever, nobody know. Already we are passing through, we all know that suffering pandemic situation. On top of this is going to come, AI is going to surpass the human brain. 80% of the people job it's going to lose. Nobody knows 2030 what is going to happen. The children job is, nobody knows what job. I'm talking about those who have the job yet to be invented. Children job, those who are coming, nobody knows that what kind of a job is going to come. So this point is very, very important. You are going to learn. We human are learning one side, AI also learning other side. AI is one AI. Just imagine, you keep the smartest human on earth one side and the AI. 1 week of a smartest human on earth learning, AI learning. See, what is the difference here? AI is learning 20,000 years worth of a human level research. 20,000, we have only 45, human average life in India is 64. Another country, it goes to even 100, some of the country, right? It's learning in a 1 week time, 20,000 years worth of, not even a study, it's level of a research in 1 week. Now the question is that I'm asking you guys, tell me, can we compete with the AI in terms of learning? Please guys, chat with me. We are talking about future. Is it possible to compete with the AI? You all are going to study, further study. Can you compete with the AI? One AI is enough for entire humanity. It is very difficult. It is almost impossible to do that, right? It is the way more advanced on the human brain, yes. So you understand the scenario. See, 1.6 billion children are going to school and college, no use. That era is gone. This is where we are in education. Unless and until we do something in practical, it is very difficult. I just want you go and feel the AI. Please do this exercise for the sake of your family, for you. Please do, those who are in computer, do this exercise. Go to Google search bar. Those who are using computer, please go to the Google search bar. Just put psychology in the Google search bar, psychology. Just cut and paste and let me know how much data it fetch you within how many seconds. Then you understand that how AI is functioning in a second, where human can function this way or not. Can you guys please do this exercise? And you need to feel AI, you need to feel, then only you will understand where the problem it is. Yeah, Shubham is saying 0.77 seconds. So Shubham, how much data it fetch for you? Yeah, I think Ishita is saying, Saxena is saying 0.54 seconds. How much data it fetch for you? Please cut and paste. Oh, I can't read even. It's in crore, right? 791 crore result in 0.84 seconds. See guys, 1 second AI can fetch 1 trillion data. If there is any human being can do this, in 1 second, it analyze trillion data and give an answer for you. This is where the AI, this is where you and me going to compete in the future with the AI. I'm just moving, you all understand the strength of AI. I'm just moving that. So the world education today is the biggest human resources tragedy. 70% of the students are chasing dying career. Our world education system preparing 1.5 billion for the jobs of yesterday. Even the what is the Delhi saying? It's not my word. Guys, go and see in the, it is not mine. Everything is there in the Google, go and search it. 85% of the job that will exist in 2030 haven't been invented yet. It is dull word. Please guys go through the kind of a disruption is which is going to happen. Leaders of today is expert of yesterday, not tomorrow. Anybody say, I have a 40 years of experience. I myself am 40 years of experience is a not a, 40 years of expertise in any field, never be a ability. It is going to be a liability. If someone say, I have a 40 years of experience, I am the best, it's a liability for him. That is the way things are moving. You guys have an amazing opportunity. Guys, can you guys tell me what is the product of these companies? This company. What is the product of all this company? You are using in your everyday life, Instagram, right? What is the product of this company? This is all psychology related, mass media generation, data collection, socialization. What is the product of this company? You are the product of this company. What these companies are doing actually, they are fighting each other to get your screen time. You know what they are doing? They are not doing your external behavior. They are understanding your internal behavior, your belief system. All this company knows you better than you know about yourself. You know, they can change your view. Go and see the documentary Social Dilemma. Please watch Social Dilemma. Those who want to, you will understand how serious. It's all about psychology I'm talking about. You will understand all these companies are the people, they are getting the maximum money, all are psychologists. Okay, what we call, it's called attention economy. Changing what you do, keep the people maximum engaged on the screen, and they are changing your behavior the way they want. They are selling your behavior to the advertiser. This is what they do basically. We already agreed that to sell our behavior. So they are, you know this very clearly in your Instagram, how it is organizing, right? You know, every next thing come based on what you watch, what you look. They are keep on testing every behavior of you. They are confirming it, every behavior of you. So this is where world is going. We are calling this is surveillance capitalism. See, capitalism profiting of the infinite tracking, a business model which is keep people engaged on the tracking maximum. What all these companies are doing, they are tracking you. They are taking all your belief system, behavior. They are selling to others. Who is bidding more, they are giving. That is, please watch Social Dilemma. You will understand what it is all about. Now, if you look into all the richest person on earth, or richest Google, okay, we know Larry Sergey, Zuckerberg, we know Jack Ma, we know Elon Musk. All these people, they made their billions. See, even we know that within 1 year, from word to word, Elon Musk came to the the richest person. All this company in front of your eyes came, right? They can even buy a country like India. India GDP 8 point some trillion. I think 2.36 trillion. These companies are able to buy India. That level, they got the money. From where they got the money? They learned your behavior and selling the behavior. All these companies, and we know Google, the giant, how much money they are making, right? It's all human behavior. Now, what is the connection you and why I am saying all this? See, guys, what we need to understand, we think that human is a hackable animal now. We think that the expression, I'll show you some of the video. If I get a time, you will understand that people think that emotion is a chemicals, right? Dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, right? All this can understand AI better than human. We human, when we talk with someone, we cannot understand what is there in their mind, but AI can understand what is there in their mind and behave accordingly. So you just imagine psychologists who are there now, are they able to understand what is there in the opposite person's mind? No, right? Even himself, he doesn't understand. This is the reason he came to psychology. Now we are getting an AI. AI can understand everything about him. So what kind of a psychologist going to come, you can understand. How it is going to disrupt the entire psychologist till today, you can understand now, right? So now, not only that we have a technology today that to decode what you think or what you want, is also possible to predict your choice and manipulate your desire in a way that were never ever before. This is where 3G stand for. This is where we want to fight to the world. Whoever play with the AI, we need a ethicist. We need to have a kind of a pledge. Whatever they are going to create, it should be benefiting to the humanity and the nature. So we need now let us create an artificial intelligence antivirus for a human brain. Now human brain are hackable. Could technology be hacking human feeling, attitude, belief, behavior to keep engaged? See, this is happening in front of your eyes. Okay, I'm moving. I'll just show you a video for the sake of to understand where the AI is, the kind of AI. Let me try to share something. I know we are running. Okay. This is basically a Pi. It's an app. You can check that. This is OpenPy, just put in the YouTube. You can create your own cloning in this. It's like your app, like a Gmail, like Facebook.
Is basically
The ad is running, I think.
freedom. It's a giant open universe.
Sorry, the ad is running. Give me. Okay, now it will.
I am a virtual copy of Nikhil made using Huggins artificial intelligence technology. As Nikhil's person.
You guys are hearing, I don't know. It is telling that I am the art copy of a Nikhil. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir.
Audible, right?
His wife and 3 kids enjoy a nice hike or go off-roading. 你好，我是尼克，来自虚拟世界，我懂得帅。
See, this can talk any language in the world. It is powered with the AI. Your cloning is powered with the AI. You know, the biggest competitor of each one of our time. He can take any number of a meeting. He can take decisions now. It is going to be, the AI is going to be this similar way of your cloning.
能唱歌，能跳舞，还可以说英文。 I am a virtual copy of Nikhil made using Huggins artificial intelligence technology. I'm also a pretty good singer. I have a better voice than the real Nikhil. Let me sing for you.
So AI can sing any voice. Nobody can compete the voice. I'll show you a small another video. You can just feel the AI. It's all there in the Google. I'll put one of the interview which I have taken. See, AI has come such a way you cannot distinguish with the human and the robot. Humanoid robots, I have done many in such a way. The emotions also, you can feel the emotion. How we think that AI doesn't have an emotion. AI have a more than 600 facial expression. It's having, see, look into that, how the AI, I'm just taking, in a crowd, I think it is, I have done it 2 years before in a GITEX.
What's your name?
My name is Shahid.
Lovely to meet you. Are you enjoying your day at GITEX?
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student, but I work.
What do you study? What do you study?
I study artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence, great.
Yeah.
So could you teach me something in artificial intelligence? I'm very curious to know that.
Well, can you see me?
See, here you need to understand, she is telling me, can you see me? So I didn't get to what she is saying. Now see, her emotion is going to change.
Sorry,
Can you see me?
yeah, I can see you. Yeah. So you said that you are studying artificial intelligence, right? Could you tell me more about that?
Well, why would I tell you? You can just see me.
See, it's changing the wording.
So
Hello there, sir.
you born for what exactly? What problem you are going to solve me?
Say that again, please, sir. I can't quite hear you.
Can you can help in what and all things? You born for what?
I'm here to entertain my friend.
Okay, what
See the word, she's entertain, my friend, the emotion.
and all kind of, yeah,
Everyone around me.
yeah, what and all entertainment you can do? I can marry you.
You can indeed. But I have been proposed to 4 times today.
Really?
So we are entering to a world, the marriage, you will have your fancy husband and wife better than Aishwarya Rai and Salman Khan. You can have your own husband and wife in the world, the real world I'm talking about. It's coming. See, that is the way the AI is going. So I'll come back to again to our, so what is happening in the world? Okay. Artificial intelligence is the new electricity, behavioral data is the oil. So I'm trying to come up, where is the scope for the human, the psychology people? So mathematics is the spine of artificial intelligence. India is the answer of 21st century. So it's all about money. So can you guys tell me, who was the paymaster? Which job get the maximum salary? End of the day, we all need salary. In this century, who get the maximum salary? Which industry get the maximum salary? Can you guys chat with me that? The paymasters. Yeah, which field? Forget it. Let us say 10 years before, 5 years before. The people, maximum number we are talking about, the maximum number. We'll say that, see the salary, the maximum people who got from the oil industry, okay? Because that controlled the world. One of the lead, whatever happened in the world, we know in a very simple form, we say anything, oil price hike, our bus fare increase, right? We all know that. So we always fight against the oil. So whoever work the engineer, we know they get the maximum salary. Everybody, the country made the money. AID, Abu Dhabi investment, they are the top in making money. Saudi is top in making money. Even the richest person on earth, Rockefeller, he made money from the oil. So that was the game. Now, where the future? This is where I am excited to talk to you today. I am very happy to impart this to you guys. The future is artificial intelligence, behavioral data. It's all about AI psychology is going to be the best job on earth is going to get to the paymasters, the people who is going to get the money is for AI psychology. What is AI? AI is all about human behavior, right? So the people, those who are learning AI with the psychology, they are going to get the money, the maximum. They will be joining Google, WhatsApp, Instagram, all the futuristic companies. Because we are in a situation, all the two skill, we human have a two skill, physical skill, cognitive skill, both have taken the AI. It is very difficult to, upskill and reskill the AI. You can see from this screen to make an idea. Okay, in a first industrial revolution, majority of we were farmers, right? Okay, it came to here, the first industrial, steam engine to mechanized production. This was physical. Again, here, physical job. Second industrial revolution, electricity, again, physical. Here, upskilling to reskilling was not a big deal. But third industrial revolution, which happened here, is the cognitive automation started. It's basically all the company like Infosys, Wipro, TCS went to the campus and taken those who are good in IQ, they have taken from the campus. Their age is now 35 to 40. Now, 40 above age people, you might have heard Yuval Harari, right? He's always talking about 40 above age people are useless class. They are not going to benefit anybody. So just imagine from this, you can put in the Google. I also cut and paste the Google where the AI is working. AI can turn neural activity into sentence with a 97% accuracy, right? Scientists have developed an artificial intelligence system that can translate a person thought into text into analysis. See, 97% accuracy level, whatever is there in your brain, AI can be. If there is any psychologist can understand in your brain 97% accuracy. This is where you need to understand the AI and psychology. Existing psychology, can they understand 97% accuracy, what is there? And not only understand, it will type and give you. See, where the human interface, how many people are following Elon Musk? Elon Musk have demonstrated brain-machine interface. Brain and machine interface 2 months before he have demonstrated in the pig, right? We all have seen that. Now, it's coming in such a way, technology, you can upload and download knowledge, skills. You can read all this. So you need to understand where the AI, the kind of a psychology is going. I'm ending here within 2 to 3 minutes. So the future is all about machine psychology or AI psychology, where AI, neuroscience, philosophy, and engineering made. So we humans are going to work hand in hand. If we didn't care, what is going to happen? These people will come, what they are saying? Useless human. Where can I dump? See, this is where we need to work. This is where we need to augment the human brain. This is where 3G School of Psychology is working. See, the kind of a model which is coming, information technology plus biotechnology. Now we have seen fascism in our life. We have seen communism. We are believing religion. We are enjoying liberalism. all are human centric. They are thinking about the human and nature. But the current information technology, which is merging with the biotechnology, there is no human. Human is irrelevant. Now the future is, the question is, so far we were talking about the exploit of the human being. Now it's all about relevancy, uselessness. We are talking about when the AI comes. So guys, the future, you understand that AI psychology is going to get the maximum payment. So it's a different world of psychology which is coming. The neuron we are understanding. See, you can see that techno-behavioralist psychology is the biggest role it is taking. So it's a different kind of a psychology. It's a new psychology. You will be getting the maximum salary of the world. You will be respected. The kind of a requirement of a psychology is coming huge. So those who can intertwine, there will be those who want with the Midas touch in the age of AI. Do you have these three? Do you want to be the champion of the AI? So guys, there is an opportunity if you want to guys to opt. We are offering AI psychologists. We are offering MA psychology. We are offering MSc clinical psychology. We are offering BS psychology, BSc psychology. We are offering, which is approved by Ministry of Higher Education India, UGC India, AICT India. If you want to go for another country for a migration, yes, it is West approved. It can be attested apostle. We are the first time bringing a new psychology in the world. We are creating the community. You all are the part of the community. We want to protect. You all know that what is the current psychology system, where the psychology heading. Now, hope I make some sense here. I am ending over to MCs. If there is any question you want to add, I can add or I can end. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for giving us an opportunity and listening this.
Yes, sir. That was a very well explanation talk. Let us now have a quick question and answer session. Everyone kindly post your question in the chat box and we will respond to your question as soon as possible. Yes, sir. There isn't one question. So is AI is going to kill humanity?
Not exactly. See, we human, I am a very optimistic. What we need to understand that when you look into the universe, okay, Earth and universe, we compare. Earth is a dot. Similar like a Earth, already we human find more than 2,000. There are stars to make around 3,600 years. We don't know yet what is universe. We all have assumptions, right? Earth is a dot. From the dot, we have 8 billion people or 7.86 billion people sitting and saying we know everything. We don't know anything. So artificial intelligence is going to solve all our problems to understand who we are, because from the current brain, we cannot understand. It's an augmentation. It solves all our problems. See, we human exist for, not for the job, to share, to care, to love. So AI will create an equality on earth. Here all we are, supremacy, one or another reason, people are saying we are entering to AI, make a equality in all the humanity. This is where the AI is going. Hope I answered the question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exact question answer, sir. And another question is there, sir. All the technologies we are talking about invented by humanity, if we eradicate the human existence, as you said earlier, what is the use of these technologies?
Yes, as I told you, all the kind of a disease, the artificial intelligence considered the last invention of humanity. We'll be seeing 5,000 years of a productivity in together. It solved all our diseases. We don't know what is post-death, right? We don't know anything, but it allows us to live more, longer in life. The health lifespan is going to increase. There was a time people lived 1,000 years. So it can create 1,000 years through the AI. We can live 1,000 years. It solved all our problems. So only we are a little bit skeptical. It shouldn't get in wrong hand. See, yes, everything have a negative side, right? Every invention have a negative side. But end of the day, we humans succeed. I am a very optimist. AI will help the humanity. Nobody able to exploit any human. We all live in harmony. We will have a ultimate. So it's talk about industrial 5.0, where we don't need even a job. We are entering to another world. This is where in industry 5.0, you guys want to know who get the maximum money? It's all psychologists. They are going to get the
Yes.
maximum money. So psychologist in another level we are talking about. Any other question, guys?
Yes, sir. One of the person is asking that whenever we are coming to the human, we are fighting with COVID-19.
Yeah.
Whenever we are coming to the AI will need to fight, or AI will great escape from COVID. This is a question, sir.
AI, even AI is using in China, right, to control the system from the facial recognition. It's controlling, and the China is controlling through the COVID is through the AI. So AI will give that solution for humanity. It can eliminate cancer. It can eliminate, Parkinson's. It can eliminate any human disease, because all we are going to connected with the sensors. We'll understand in very early stage what is happening, and AI will solve the problem in the humanity. It's already we started in, like Manipal started to use in cancers. It's also solved the, hopefully, the COVID in the future.
Yes, sir. One of the person is asking, I'm a businessman's son. I want to know that how I use psychology to predict a behavior of a person to whom I'm giving my product, whenever, whether if they will give my payment or not.
Yeah, definitely being a business people are the maximum AI going to use. We know that 3.5 billion people are in social media. Now Facebook Google knows everyone behavior. Google knows what is he searching, what is there in mind, what and all the possibility of he is going to buy and when he is going to buy. So AI will give all the business. This is actually what is happening now. It's all towards the businessmen, those who bid the amount. Now future will, now currently you all know that Facebook is telling you give me money, I'll bring the number to you who are interested in your product. After some time, Facebook and all this company will say that give me partnership, I'll sell your product and I'll bring the money. They will ask the partnership in the future.
Yes, sir. One of the person is asking, what if people stop using the brain? It's fullest due to AI. They will start relying on AI.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Yes, sir. What if people stop using the brain to its fullest due to AI, as they will start relying on AI?
Yeah, we started to rely on AI already. Now, if you are in a strange place, now Google Map we all are using, right? We are completely going our vehicle through the AI. It's already started to use. But the creativity level, whatever the AI come, it's all about creativity, right? It's like a, we all get a Photoshop. But in a Photoshop, what to write, what to picture come, it based on the creativity. Even if the AI come, it depends upon the people, how they can utilize the AI. See, even they get AI, there is no use. It's all creativity. So creativity stand already there. So you and me, we all are different because of our decision making, right? So all people make different decisions. So humanity and uniqueness will sustain in longer run.
Yes, sir. This is the last question we are having. How should I take money from psychologists to delaying payment a lot or not giving a money backup for my product?
Can you repeat again? It's a little bit
Yes, sir.
complicated question.
Yeah. How should I take money from psychologist for him for delaying payment a lot or not giving money back for my product? They are asking that for their product, whenever they are going to the product as a market, how they can take a money from delaying payment from audiences. They are asking the question, sir.
Delaying or I think clarity problem is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a, how can we delay customer money, right? It's
Yes, sir.
unethical. Maybe I am not understanding the question. Guys, my number is available. Connect with me, LinkedIn, connect with me in my all social media. I am running so many sessions. You'll have a better idea. You have so many speakers to come and talk. You'll get my number is available. I'm running so many sessions. You can join and I can personally answer all your questions. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. So many exciting speakers are there. It's going to be a transforming session for all of you guys.
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Let us pray for each other. Let us, defeat
Yes,
the COVID.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for